This is our flood monitoring system. We made this design and setup to represent the flood level. Now here the setup looks like a village, and the whole circuit is powered with the Arduino, and we are connecting by using the power bank. Once we connect, you can see the lights are on, and here we have a tray which is representing like a river. Now if you see here you can see none of the LEDs are turned on. Water level is normal. Just for the simulation purpose, I am raising the water tank. You see that orange LED is turned on, green or yellow LED is turned on, which indicates that water at the danger level. Now there is another probe here. If this touches, red LED will turn on and gives a buzzer. Okay. Now if the water is at safe level, green LED will turn on. If there is no water at all, empty, none of the LED will turn on. Green, yellow, and the high alert red color. Now we will place these strong wires at this level. So as we fill the water, as the water raises, one and other wires will touch and also gives the indication to the Arduino, which represents the entire system.